Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp phone number without losing your chats or account info. If you just got a new SIM or changed your number, this is the right way to switch it on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp app. If you're using Android, tap the three dots at the top right, then go to Settings. On iPhone, just tap Settings at the bottom right. Now tap on Account, then select Change Number. WhatsApp will show you what changing your number means basically. Your chats, groups, and settings will all move to the new number. Tap Next to continue. Now enter your old phone number in the first box and your new phone number in the second box. Make sure you include the country code for both. After that, tap Next. You'll then be asked if you want to notify your contacts about the number change. You can choose everyone, just people you've chatted with, or custom. Once you're done, tap Done, and WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code to your new number. Enter that code, and you're all set. Your account is now linked to your new phone number with all your chats still intact. And that's it! You've just learned how to change your WhatsApp number without losing your chats. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.